Hello guys, welcome back to a new series of video, and this series is from applied data science with Python specialization, and particularly we are doing quiz of first week for applied machine learning in Python. So here is the quiz of first week. Our first question is asking about level data, so that is supervised learning. Second question is about Second question is about modeling the features of an unlabeled datasets. So unlabeled dataset, it is unsupervised learning. If you talk about third question, then it is training a model using categorical label data. So our solution is here classification. If you talk about fourth question, then training a model using label data where the labels are continuous quantities to predict label for new data is known as, so basically here continuous quantities. So for continuous quantity, let's see the option what is there. Feature extraction, classification is there, cluster is there, regression. So answer is regression. So if you talk about fifth question, three class is given: class 0, class 1 and class 2. Class 0 is denoted as blue, class 1 is denoted as yellow, and class 2 is denoted as green, and new point is denoted as red star. So basically they are asking question for classifying the new point as k1 and k3. So for new point, that is star, k1 and k3. So for k1 it will be class 1, and for k3 it will be class 2, because green is the class 2. Now let's go for the sixth question. Which of the following is true for the nearest neighbor classifier? Okay, so basically I got this question as the incorrect one, so I'm a bit confused in this. Second option, the higher value of k leads to more complex decision boundary. uh, Basically the second option is not correct. So I guess given a data instance to classify computes the probability of each possible data using a statistical model of the input features. Maybe it's the answer, but I got the sixth one is as incorrect one. So let's proceed for seventh one. Why it is important to examine your dataset as a first step in applying machine learning. Okay, before applying all the machine learning algorithm, why we have to look for, or we have to check dataset before applying machine learning. So option is, see what type of cleaning or processing still need to be done. First one is correct. You might notice missing data. Second one is also correct. And gain insight of what machine learning model might be appropriate. That one is also correct. And get a sense for how difficult the problem might be. Fourth one is also correct. So basically in this first, second, third, fourth one is correct. Now proceed for eighth question. Wait. Okay. The key purpose of splitting the dataset into training and test set is, so basically we when we do splitting of our dataset as a training and test, so what is the reason for that? They're asking this. So basically we do this to estimate how well the learned model will generalize to new data. So generally you know that we divide our data set into two sets. One is the training set, then the other is in test set. So we set a model from our training set and test that model from our test set, and at last we check for score of that. So let's complete the remaining two questions. The ninth one is, the purpose of setting the random state parameter in train test split is, what can be the reason for this? First one is to avoid bias in data splitting. Okay, second option, to make experiments are by always. Okay, second option is correct. To make experiments easily reproducible by always using the same partitioning of data. So last question, if you check, given a data set with 10,000 observation, 50 features plus one level, and last what they are saying, 75 to 25% of assume. Okay, test on this is like that. So first option, second option, so we can easily say that the third option is correct, because training set has 7500 observation and the test set has 2500 observation. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for remaining assignment and quiz. Thank you.